Hi friends, welcome back to another unboxing video by Gothic Footwear Australia. Today we have for you the KERA-108 in black vegan leather by Demonia. All products that we are unboxing for you are available to buy online with free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. Now I'll just get these out of the box so we can start unwrapping them. All of these Demonia boots and shoes usually come wrapped with the branded Demonia wrapping paper and these clear plastic bags. You can buy this style in women's USA sizing from 5 to 12, which is the same as European 35 to 42. Alright, here we go with the first shoe. And I absolutely love the look of this design. You'll see why. As you can see, we have a full length inner side metal zipper and the buckles and straps on the outside. There is a Demonia branded metal plate detail in the center and front and back metal plated panels with screws on the sole. We've got these fully functional dual snap buckles with the Demonia logo printed there on the adjustment strap. As you can see, this style doesn't have any laces, so you'll need to adjust the tightness with the straps and the buckles. And we've got these velcro buckle straps as well. And you see there's also a little embroidered Demonia logo there on the side of the boot. So let me just do these straps back up again so we can continue on. This style also comes in a white vegan leather option, and you can view that on our website, gothicfootwear.com.au. Now let's try the zipper here and unzip them for you. Need my other hand. So there's the Demonia logo on the bottom of the insole. And this model has the vegan leather lining on the inside as well. Now we'll do them back up and get the other shoe unwrapped. Do you prefer your boots to have buckles or to have laces to do them up? Let us know what you prefer in the comments. And a look at the bottom of the sole on this model. This has also got a 4.5-inch platform. And it's also in a bit of a wedge shape as well. Here's a close-up of the screws on the plates. And now we're going to take a look at them together from a few angles. Let us know in the comments what you think of this style, or if there is a style you want to see unboxed next time, just let us know what that is. If you like these videos, we would love for you to subscribe to our channel to help support us to make more of these unboxing videos for you. It helps to know if what we are doing is actually what people want to see. So that's all we have time for. Come back soon to see more unboxing of your favourite styles. Thanks for watching, guys.